Hello scientists, today we're going to be doing a fun experiment. It's called tabletop bubbles. So in order for this experiment to work, you're going to need to make your own bubbles at home. I have the instructions right here for bubbles, our easy at home bubbles. The first thing we're going to need for our bubbles is dish soap. So we're going to pour 1/2 cup of dish soap into a cup. And then you're going to add 1.5 cup of warm water, and you're going to mix that together. Then add 2 teaspoons of sugar to the soap and water, and then gently stir it. Don't stir it too fast where it creates a lot of bubbles. Just gently stir it till that sugar mixes in with the soap and water. Now, once you have your bubble solution, which I have right here, you can pour it into either a bowl or a plate. So I'm going to pour it into this bowl just so that you have a nice solution, a nice liquid down at the bottom. Not too much. Let me see if I can show you. Not too thick, just enough. Probably about a 1/2 inch of the bowl. Then I'm going to take a straw and I'm going to dip my straw into the solution, the bubbles, and then I'm going to dip it into my bubble bowl and blow. And you have tabletop bubbles. Now there's a lot of fun things you can do to explore with this experiment. I can actually take my straw and stick it into my bubble without popping it, and it did just pop, and I can try and make a bubble inside of a bubble. Let's see if I can get it to work. Now remember, I need to dip that solution, my straw, into the solution to get it nice and wet, and then I need to blow inside my bubble solution in the bowl. Now I'm going to take it out, dip it again, put it back in, and keep blowing bubbles. Have fun exploring tabletop bubbles, and I'm going to show you a couple pictures and videos of my kids trying the experiment. Bye, scientists! First, we're going to take the bubble solution, and we're going to put the bubble solution on the plate. Brady's going to dip his straw in that bubble solution and then start blowing those bubbles onto the plate. Brady, do you want to see if you can make a bubble inside of a bubble?
Yeah, it's easy.
Now dip that solution back, that straw back into the solution, put it in that bubble, and you did it! A bubble inside of a bubble. Very cool. Now you can use a plate or you can use a bowl. I put solution at the bottom of the bowl, and before the kids go to make the bubbles, you have to dip the end of the straw into the solution and then put it towards the bottom of the bowl where all that bubble solution is. Good job!